If you think weeds are just pesky lawn invaders, think again. What if the plants you pull out every week are actually nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and even protein, sometimes surpassing cultivated greens like spinach or kale? Today, we're going to flip the script on weeds, showing you 10 common plants that might already be growing in your yard, along roadsides or in vacant lots, and explain why they deserve a spot on your plate. You'll learn how to identify them safely, the nutrients they provide, and simple ways to prepare them so they taste amazing, from salads to sautés to teas. First, a critical rule: never eat a plant unless you are 100% certain of its identity. Foraging mistakes can be dangerous. Responsible foraging also means respecting nature, harvesting sustainably, and following the rules for public lands or private property. Our first powerhouse is the dandelion. Often dismissed as a stubborn lawn invader, dandelion leaves are loaded with vitamins A, C, and K plus minerals like calcium and iron. Young leaves are less bitter and perfect in salads, while older leaves can be sautéed or added to soups. Even the flowers can be transformed into tea or fritters, a full plant you can eat from root to bloom. Next is chickweed, a low-growing green that thrives on lawns and open spaces. Chickweed is high in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, with a mild flavor that works beautifully in fresh salads, pesto, or sandwiches. Third, the stinging nettle. Yes, it's the one that causes pain if touched raw, but cooking neutralizes the sting. Once cooked, nettle leaves are soft, rich in iron, calcium, magnesium, and vitamins A and C. You can make soups, teas, or sautés that pack a serious nutritional punch. Fourth, lamb's quarters, sometimes called wild spinach. Abundant and easy to harvest, lamb's quarters actually contains more protein per calorie than cultivated spinach, along with essential vitamins and minerals. Fifth, purslane. This succulent weed has a slight lemony flavor and is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and magnesium. Crunchy and refreshing, it's excellent raw in salads or lightly sautéed. Sixth, mallow. Often growing in disturbed soil or along fences, mallow leaves are packed with calcium and contain mucilage, which can soothe digestion. The young leaves and flowers are edible and versatile in cooking. Seventh, plantain, a low-growing broadleaf weed. High in vitamin C and potassium, the young leaves can be eaten raw or cooked, while older leaves are great in stews. Eighth, clover, red or white. Leaves, flowers, and sprouts are all edible, full of vitamins A, C, and protein. Clover can enhance salads, smoothies, or even teas. Ninth, chicory with its bright blue flowers. Its leaves are edible and nutritious, though somewhat bitter. The roots can be roasted as a coffee substitute, offering versatility for both meals and beverages. Finally, shepherd's purr is recognized by its small heart-shaped seed pods. Young leaves have a peppery flavor and can be added to salads, soups, or stir-fries. Nutritionally, they provide vitamins A and C, along with iron. Foraging these weeds doesn't just save money. It gives you access to nutrient-dense foods, reconnects you with nature, and reduces reliance on industrial agriculture. Start slowly, trying small amounts to test flavor and your body's tolerance. Pair wild greens with familiar foods or lightly cook them to balance bitterness. Avoid plants sprayed with pesticides, harvested near polluted roads, or grown in contaminated soil. By incorporating these 10 common weeds into your diet, you gain a starter kit of free, highly nutritious, and versatile greens that can easily replace or supplement spinach. The next time you see a weed, remember, it could be a superfood hiding in plain sight. Wild foraging isn't just survivalist. It's sustainable, affordable, and surprisingly easy once you know what to look for. Experiment with these plants in salads, sautés, soups, smoothies, and teas. Your backyard or local park may hold a treasure trove of nutrition if you forage responsibly. If this inspired you to see weeds in a new light, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips on sustainable eating, foraging, and superfoods you can find right outside your door.